Myself Somsit Nasan from Zil Polytechnic Nare. Our chemistry mini project is to prepare a chart showing different types of refractory material. Our group members are Shubham Bhuvan, Tanuja Bansode, Kiran Gunjal and Akshay Raut. This project is guided by Vidya Bhagat Madam. First is introduction. Refractory is a material which can withstand temperature without softening or suffering a deformation in shape. The main objective of refractory is to confine heat, for example, to resist loss of heat. Second, to resist abrasive and corrosion action or molten metals, slags and gases at high temperature without undergoing softening or distortion in shape. The uses of refractories are construction of linings of furnaces, tanks, converters, kilns, crucibles, ladles, etc. Manufacture of material, cement, glass, ceramics, paper, steel, and many other are the uses of refractory material. Definition of refractory is a material that resists to decomposition by heat, pressure, or chemical attack and retains strength and firm at high temperature. This is a refractory material called ceramic. There are three types of refractory material with respect to chemical nature, that is acidic, basic and neutral. There are two types of refractory based on manufacture. This is the melting point of metals, non-metals, carbides and oxides. These are the properties of refractory material. There are three properties. They are physical, thermal and chemical. This is a process flowchart for manufacturing of refractory material. For example, aluminium, silica, zirconia, silicon carbide, chromamagnesite, etc. This is the classification of refractory material. Classification is done in chemical composition, based on chemical composition, and examples are silica, aluminosite, magnesite, etc. These are applications of refractory material. These are some examples of refractory material. The main advantages of this ore is that it eliminates joints with an inherent weakness. Second is the method of application is faster and skilled measures in larger number are required. Third is properties can better than pressed bricks. Fourth, transportation and handling are simple. Fifth, offers considerable scope to reduce inventory and eliminate special shapes. And sixth is the has better spalling resistance and volume stability. These are 6 advantages of the ore. These are some examples of refractory material, and this slide shows us how the refractory material is poured in the molds. Thank you for listening the PPT.